Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide detector, a 2-in-1 device that alerts you to both smoke and carbon monoxide with a single, efficient unit. This detector boasts a never-change 10-year battery, meaning no more low battery chirps or frequent battery changes, and it comes with a 10-year limited warranty on the alarm itself. Equipped with enhanced sensing technology, it significantly reduces false alarms often triggered by cooking, and it meets the latest all-in FCC standards for safety and reliability. The self-testing alarm ensures the internal components are always functioning correctly, though it's important to perform a manual button test weekly to verify its operation. For added convenience, the detector features 3 LED notifications: green for normal operation, amber for any operating errors, and red when smoke or carbon monoxide is detected, accompanied by a loud 85 decibel alarm. This comprehensive device offers peace of mind, knowing your home is protected with advanced technology and reliable performance. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.